Hello friends, welcome to this presentation of a unique business opportunity. You would explore this opportunity as a student, as a working professional, as a teacher, as a homemaker, as a business person. This one opportunity is open for all. And for the best use of this presentation, I would recommend if you can hold a notebook and a pen with you and make notes as I guide you through this presentation. Before getting into the dynamics of this opportunity, we need to understand the philosophy of money. How does money actually flow into our life? Well, when we talk in terms of money, the cash flow quadrant, as explained by Robert Kiyosaki in his books or YouTube videos that you could watch, the cash flow quadrant states 4 known sources of income. You and I can choose to become an employee, take up a job, or self-employee, start our own business, or become an investor. What is the determinant of making money as an employee and as a self-employee? The determinant is time. Time makes money. The amount of time we invest at our job, for a self-employed, a chartered accountant, a lawyer, a doctor, everybody who falls into the quadrant of being a self-employed. We trade our time and we make money. And this income is also attributed as active income, where you and I have to be present to make the money. Whereas the determinant of money in business is system. System makes money. For an investor, money makes money. And in these 2 quadrants, the income is called as passive, or what we also call as residual income. Without being present physically, money still keeps coming into our account. Well, 95% of the global population remain as employees and self-employees, whereas 5% venture into becoming businessmen, businesswomen, or investors. 5% of the global economy is in the side where employees and self-employees are, whereas 95% of the global economy is on the side of business and investments. Which means 95% are struggling for 5% share, whereas 5% are enjoying 95% share. Well, if this is a known fact, and if this is what is taught in colleges, why don't the employee and the self-employee explore getting into business? Well, 3 things keeps us away even from the word business. The first one being investment. The second one, risk. And the third one is experience. Now, when we look at these 3 things happening around us, we don't want to invest, we don't want to take risk, and we also lack experience. The opportunity that we are sharing with you does not involve investment. There is absolutely no risk and no experience required. Why? Because we are inviting you to explore the world of a consumer, and we are drawing you closer to a shop. Shop is a place where you and I go, we pay money, we take home product and services. Anything else that a shop has offered you, think about it. Maybe some discounts, some festive discounts, buy one get one free. What we are telling you in this project is change your shop. The new generation store that we are talking about is called Vestige. This store came into operation in the year 2004 with 2 outlets, one in Delhi, one in Bangalore. We are now in 2020. There are over 2,000 outlets across the country. Kashmir to Kanyakumari, Gujarat to Arunachal. Over 2,000 outlets where you and I can go and physically buy the products. With 2 apps, the products are also available online. 3 to 4 working days, products delivered in any nook and corner of the country. Over and above this store is now international. Outlets in Dubai, in Saudi, in Oman, in Bahrain, recently launching Thailand, spreading across Middle East, Southeast Asia, then into Africa, into Europe, and then the rest of the world. This shop growing in 16 years, their compound annual growth rate is 79% per annum for the past 10 years in a row. Yes, a growing shop. Some of you will be wondering, if this is the magnitude and size of the shop, why haven't I heard about it before? For the simple reason, the conventional way of marketing is a manufacturer, you and I, as consumers. Product and services don't travel direct. They come through a medium called advertising. The manufacturer pays the advertising agency or the celebrity to endorse products. You and I watch the advertising and we buy the products. From where is the manufacturer going to recover the cost, the expenses on advertising? You're right. The cost is being recovered from the consumer. So you and I as consumers have not only paid money for the product, but we have also paid for the advertising. Prestige uses a different philosophy. As a manufacturer, you and me as a consumer, we are connected directly. The whole channel of advertising is what is bypassed. The saving that Prestige makes in advertising is returned back to the customer for being a loyal consumer of this store. So here friends, we are exploring a simple concept of change your shop. Well, having bypassed advertising, how is that beneficial to you and me? The concept is simple. To get into this store, what you need is a customer ID. And this customer ID comes for free. Yes, get this right. The customer ID comes for free. You give your details to the person who has shared this video with you, and your customer ID is generated online. The first benefit of the customer ID is on the MRP of the products mentioned, which the range is wide. You have an FMCG range of products, you have color cosmetics, you have agri range of products, you have home care, personal care, and to add this, you also have healthy food supplements. And all this on the MRP mark, you and I get 10 to 20% discount. Over and above this, the second benefit is approximately 10% worth products free every time you shop in this store. So whenever you walk into this store and buy products for 4,000 rupees, you're walking home with 400 worth products free. You shop for 8,000 rupees, you're walking home with around 800 rupees worth products free. Every month there are new offers that are rolling, and we can take benefits of them. The third one, which is called a consistency offer. You make an approximate purchase of around 3,500 rupees from the store, either one bill or multiple bills, your choice. Do it between the 2nd and the 12th of every month. Do it consistently for 4 months, and in the 5th month, you take home 2,500 worth products free, that too of your choice. This one, friends, is a super saver. You and I need to understand this, and we also need to explain this, because every business philosophy has a pulse. The consistency is the pulse of the shop. Get the mathematics right. 3,500 rupees worth of purchase for 4 consecutive months, and 5th month you're walking home with 2,500 worth products free. The fourth point is whatever purchases you make, you get points. These points are calculated and credited to your bank. In these years of shopping that you have done, which shop has actually credited money to your bank? The other way has always worked. From our money, there has been an always outgo into shops. But which shop has ever put money back into your account? For the past 16 years, Prestige has been doing this. and has upgraded all consumers to become smart consumers. Phone has got smart, TV has got smart, children have got smart. What about you and me as consumers? Don't you think it's time for us to take a closer look at this store? I can influence you once to visit this store and buy the products. Why will you visit this store a second time? You're going to visit this store only if the quality matches what you are using right now and when the price and benefits are economical. Well, for the past 16 years, whatever product and service Vestige has been offering the market is natural, one, economical, and international quality. So when you're looking at this range of products that Vestige offers, quality products at economical price. And friends, how do you increase these points and how do you increase the inflow into your bank? Well, the system works simple. You refer. Please get the word right. You and I are referring the store to our family and friends. We are not into door-to-door selling. We are not looking at this business opportunity to become a salesman. You and I want to vision ourselves as an entrepreneur. That is what we are doing this for. So as an entrepreneur, I personally wouldn't be going door-to-door selling products. And this is not expected of you. As entrepreneurs, we are recommending this store to family and friends. And are you not into any kind of referral business? Well, all of us are. We walk into a hotel, we like the food, we like the restaurant, we like the ambience, we like the food. We definitely recommend it to family and friends. We watch a movie, we enjoy the movie, and then we recommend it to family and friends. We visit a certain place, we head on to a store, we come across sale, and we are recommending it to family and friends. The same reference is what is required here. But all these references that we've done in the past hasn't earned us anything. Whereas this opportunity, with the help of our customer ID, whenever you recommend this store to your family and friends, you generate a customer ID for them. And their customer ID is linked with yours. Whatever shopping they do, they get all the benefits that I stated. The points are shared with all. Now, how good is that? Too good to be true? But well, the system is working and functional for the past 16 years. And now recommendations are not limited only to our country. You have family and friends in Dubai, you have family and friends in Bahrain, in Oman, in Saudi, in Thailand, anywhere in the world. Wherever Vestige is opening its outlet, you can recommend it to family and friends. And social media has made the world so small. Even without direct connections, via social media you can connect to like-minded entrepreneurs and recommend this opportunity to them. What then are you waiting for? I think you need to get your act together, do your due diligence, find out more details, connect with the person who has shared this video with you, change your shop and change your life. The passive income that we spoke of, the passive income that comes through the cash flow quadrant of getting into business. Well, this is one opportunity that can help you build a good amount of network and a passive source of income. Who are the people who are involved in building the business? Who teaches us how to become successful in this business? Well, we are not alone. We have a global platform like Vestige. Now what we need is a global education system. Well, the global education system that comes to us is Winning Team. Winning Team is a global education platform that equips us to build a long-term, sustainable, profitable and duplicable business across the world. And we do it based on values and principles. Are we successful? Is the Winning Team education system successful? Well, let me share with you. This is a winning attitude, a success profile book. And this book is of all the members who are following the Winning Team teaching and philosophy. We have doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, businessmen, educators, international trainers. We have, I would say, people who have limited source of knowledge, limited source of information, haven't gone through any formal education, and even they are building a long-term ethical business along with us. So friends, when we are exploring a global opportunity, we have enough and more than enough success testimonials. Why would a doctor who has more than 100 patients as an OPD on a daily basis explore this opportunity? Well, get hold of the Winning Attitude book. There is so much in store for you. Well, if you are a teacher, look for the teachers. We have given the entire range of all the classifications of people who are involved in building this business. And I'm sure you will find your profession and your interest marked somewhere here. The best page in this book for me is this one. You are next. Give me one reason, friends, why you can't be featured in this book. It's a simple, easygoing concept, changing one shop, using the product and services, and as satisfied consumers recommending the same to family and friends. As mentioned earlier, friends, we've got a global business platform in the form of Prestige, and we have a global education system called Winning Team. I would recommend that you download the Winning Team app from your Play Store and get connected to a continuous education program. An education program that helps us build a long-term, sustainable, duplicable and profitable global business based on principles and values. So download the app now. Waiting to get connected with you to build a long-term global business. Welcome on board.